How to create Facebook page auto replies. First, open the Play Store if you have an Android phone or the App Store if you have an iPhone. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Meta Business Suite. When you see the Meta Business Suite app in the search results, tap on it. If you haven't installed it yet, you should see an Install button or a Get button. Tap on it and wait for the app to install. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping on the Open button, or find the app icon on your home screen and tap it. Log in with the Facebook account that you use to manage your Facebook page. After logging in, you'll see the home screen of the Meta Business Suite. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on Tools. In the Tools menu, find and tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for Automations and tap on it. You'll see an option for Instant Reply. Tap on Try It next to this option. To turn on Instant Replies, tap on the checkbox, then tap on Save to apply your changes. Go back to the Automations menu by tapping the back arrow, then tap on Frequently Asked Questions. To add a new FAQ, tap on Add a Question at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can enter the question you expect people to ask, type in an automated response, and even add attachments or buttons if needed. Once you're done, tap on Save. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.